Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are happy to say that the restoration is over. You remember we started with this. Put the wheels on. This is the interior that we originally had. There's some parts left over. This was the engine we started with. Wasn't that bad. Actually, it's very good. Yeah, that 600 HP was that was put there from a prior owner. But keep that in mind. So, dear friends, this is what we started with. And I will show you what we ended up doing. This is what we wound up with. It's PBG paint, pearl white. Same pearl white that they used on the 1998 Diablo SV that you see in the little avatar for the channel. And yes, it's a twin turbo. And it's a Nissan Fairly Z. These wheels were a lot better. Mild with brakes. This is the interior. Our trusty Uniden R7. Oh, you guys are gonna love this. That's a Blop 1 stereo. Yeah, we did a few things here. This is what the back looks like. Okay, now for the best part of all. Ready? 1, 2. Voila. How did we go from this to this in such a short period of time? It was only a couple of months. Well, this is how we did it. Stay tuned. So this is how we did it. We went out and we found one already done. So keep watching. The next video will give you a full rundown of exactly what is in this car. Peace.